Hi there friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams, just stopping on real quick to show you the latest goodies that I got from the Not Too Shabby shop. I am in love with this store. They have so many fun things. Anyways, let's get to it. First up, I got the Stamp and Die of the Month. This is called Sweet Critters, which they are so adorable. And at first, I didn't think I needed the dies. And then I watched some of the design team videos. And yes, I do need the dies because the dies make it so that these little arms are cut out so that they can like open up and so they can hold these accessories. How clever and cool is that? Cannot wait to start creating with those. I added on a few extra stamp sets this month. This cute one is a Not Too Shabby one. Spring is in the Air, I think is what it's called. Yep, Spring is in the Air. And it has this cute bunny and this cute little chick with the umbrellas and the spring flowers. Adorable. I watched Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby, create a card with this, and I had to have it. I will try my best to remember to link that below. So I had to have that. Next up, I've been wanting this stamp set from the Greeting Farm for a while. If you didn't know, Not Too Shabby has lots of other companies' products in their stores. So it's kind of your one-stop shop. This is Peeps Couple. I wanted these cute little birds, and I love the way that the characters looked. And then lately I've noticed in my stash I don't have that many Eastery type things. So I got this Pink and Maine spring snow globe scenes. I really love this bear with the kite and just all of it's so cute and some great sentiments. So I got that. And then since I spent over $60, I got this fun free gift. This calls for confetti. Which I've been hearing so much about and seeing so much about. I'm excited to try these. And it's Last Fling and these fun mix. And I think that will look great with some paper I have from a previous box of the month. Excited about that. And then next up, last but not least, I got the box of the month. Always exciting to get so many fun goodies. And so let's see if I can share all of this goodness with you. So always a goodie and some freebies. Nice little sequins there. Look kind of summery, springy. And then let's do the stamp sets first. This is the one that sold me. If you don't know, I have two cats. One of them is Kiki, and she has claimed my daughter as her human, so I don't really see her that much. But then my cat is Alyssa, and her hashtag is It's Always Alyssa. She's kind of a troublemaker, but I obviously love cats. So when I saw this cute, simply adorable stamp, I was like, yep, sign me up, take my money, here it is. So cute, so many possibilities. I love it has the shadow that can either go down here or in here. Another one I can't wait to ink up. Also has this Hope's Garden stamp set. Lots of gardening type things. I know that there's so many people in my life that like to garden, so this will be fun to use. And then the last one is Plant Life Sentiments. And there's some really great, I like how they're big so you can use the sentiments as a focal point for your card. Awesome. There's lots of ephemera this month, which you can use on so many different things. I've seen them used on home decor projects, on scrapbooks, on cards. Lots and lots of neat ideas there. And then two paper pads, Quiet Morning and Grow Your Garden. Also exciting this month at Not Too Shabby is that they are starting a paper pad subscription. So that is super fun if you really enjoy the paper pads. You can sign up for that. I will link everything in the description box below. But there's all my goodies from the Not Too Shabby shop, and I cannot wait to get crafty with them. So until my next video, have an amazing day. And if you want to go shopping, I will have everything linked below. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.